Today we're going to be working on our 2008 Dodge Charger. Our intake manifold runner valve is gone bad. This is it right over here. Our code was P1004. First thing you'll need is a ratchet, socket, and extension. It's 10 millimeters. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to push this back right here, and then that unlocks it so you can slide it right off. Just press this button down here and you can slide it right off. Now that that's done, we'll loosen these 4 bolts and we'll take it off and put our new part on. Get our new part. We ordered this part online. You can do that also. Take this one off. Just pulls right out. Gasket comes with it. We already have our gasket on here. We're just going to put it right back in where it belongs. Snap this back in. Next, we're going to clear the code with our OBD2 reader. We'll drive around, get all the incompletes off, and that should fix our problem. Again, this is the part, when you get that code, P1004, typically this is the part that is the problem. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.